instant activity was fun, right, class?
Yeah!
Woo! Now we're all sitting down, we're getting ready for the day. Now we're going to put on our CAP, our Cognitive Affective Psychomotor. And this CAP is made with integrity, right? Yep, so we're putting that on. So now we're going to get to the meaty part of the lesson. Who remembers that history lesson about the earth being flat? Yeah. Way before Columbus came to America, everybody thought the earth was flat, and then they realized that the earth was actually round. Same thing that happened to volleyball, but opposite. We thought volleying was easy to do with a round surface, like a rounded head or like a rounded fist, rounded elbow. And then we realized that hitting something is a lot easier on a flat surface. Talk to each other and discuss amongst yourself, what do you think is better, a flat surface or a round surface for volleying?
I think the flat surface.
You think flat? Yeah.
It's more accurate.
I think you'll get a better propulsion on the ball with the flat surface.
Flat surface.
Great job, class. Great job. Why is flat surface important? Why is it important? When you volley with the flat surface, the ball will go on the same angle that it goes into as it comes out of. So if I'm volleying with a flat surface, straight up and down, the ball will always go straight up and come straight back down. But if I'm volleying with a round surface, like a pointy elbow or like a fist, I don't know where this ball is going to go. It's very unpredictable. So the reason why we volley with a flat surface is so we can have more control over the ball and tell the ball where we want it to go. Who has seen a volleyball game before? Great. So the premise of a volleyball game is to keep the ball off the ground. That's the idea of it. Whenever the ball hits the ground, the other team scores a point. But in this activity, instead of balls, we're going to be using balloons. Remember last class when we made our own, hey, that's inappropriate, can you please put our shoe back on? Thank you. Remember last class when we did our child design volleyball games? You know, you guys went into partners and created your own volleyball game? Mm-hmm. That was fun, right? Remember those skills that you guys worked on. Remember those skills that you had in your own game. Keep those skills in mind that we did last class as we progress today throughout our lesson. So today's focus is flat surface. Flat surface. Everybody say it with me. Flat surface. Great. So flat surface with volleying. Can we have a demonstrator? Oh, great, come on. Hey, grab a volleyball. Grab a balloon of your choice. So today's focus of the lesson is volleying with different parts of the body. So let's see how many different parts of the body you can volley with flat surface. Let's see. Hey, great. You mind catching it? Okay, now to even break that down even smaller, we're just going to do one part of the body. So let's do your arm, for instance. Let's put that as flat as you can and try to see if you can volley it with just that one arm. Great, look how flat the surface is. Oh, it's kind of curved a little bit, but his hand's still being flat. Even though he's bending his elbow, his hand is still flat with the ball. Okay, great. You can put the balloon back and have a seat the rest of the class. Cool. Great job demonstrating, Paul. So when I say go, everybody's going to get their own balloon, find their own personal space, and they're going to volley. But first, we're just going to volley with one part of the body. You can either pick your hand, your leg, your knee, your thigh, your head, but we're just going to pick one of those body parts, and we're going to try to remember flat surfaces. Yes. What not to do. Let's see what not to do. What I don't want to see you do is doing multiple surfaces. So see here, I'm doing multiple surfaces. I just want to see just one surface. What I don't want to see is you hitting the ball this way, running, grabbing it, and then hitting the ball this way. I don't want to see you run around too much. I want to see you keeping it in one area with one hand, maybe the leg if you decide to. Flat surfaces. Thumbs up and everybody understands? Okay, go. All right, freeze, freeze, freeze. Hold the balloon in your hands. Yes. Okay, now we're gonna do multiple surfaces. So see if you can go from one arm maybe to one arm. Maybe try this is the most difficult one. Try going from foot to your head. It's pretty difficult. Got it. All right, freeze, freeze, freeze. Everybody stop and watch Claire. See how Claire is keeping her surfaces super flat? She's actually using some correct volleyball techniques. This is great. This is great. It's a little more advanced than what you guys are doing right here in class, but you know, keep an eye on here and try that out. Good job. Go. All right, when I say stop, I want you to put your balloons back on the couch and have a seat in the middle of the rug. Stop. What is volleying? Remember, there are no wrong answers in this PE class. With our caps on and our integrity with us, there's no wrong answers. So who thinks they know what volleying is? Yes.
Tossing the ball a couple of times so that it does not hit the ground.
Great, great answer. Anybody have anything else?
We send it over the net.
Great answer, great answer, great answer. Anybody have anything else on volleying? No? No? Okay. Can you please go line up at the door and get ready for next class? Thank you, class.
This is why volleying with round surfaces doesn't work. This is why volleying with flat surfaces works.